It's chutney. It's chutney. Very nice chutney. Nice smell and nice taste. Let's
So cute.
You
Yeah.
cute.
Yeah.
I'm little, small, young.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm here with my family. My gran made this chutney.
Open the
Was
door.
it open the lid.
Yeah.
A couple of weeks ago, and we had it with like loads of different things, and we absolutely loved it,
Yeah,
didn't
it was
we?
so good.
It is so good, and I feel like it's just so versatile. You can put it on so many different dishes, like not just Indian food. You can put it on like a Buddha bowl, a salad dressing maybe,
Yeah.
just a really great dipping sauce. So I thought we'd film a video for the recipe for this. It's super easy.
It's very nice chutney. The children like this chutney.
We really like it.
I and my husband, everybody's like this
We
chutney.
all really like it.
All very like.
I feel like I don't really remember this from before.
Yeah.
Is it a new recipe?
No,
Yeah, I
before,
don't remember
long,
this
long,
before.
mom we make before.
Oh, okay. I don't really remember anything because it's been
Yeah.
so many years since I've lived at home.
You're
And
so old.
oh, so we've just filmed a recipe for this chutney. So if you want to know how to make this, then just keep watching.
Thank you.
Please like and subscribe.
Yes, and if you're not already subscribed to my channel, then please hit that subscribe button and hit that bell notification. I love that you know I do this. And the bell notification.
Can I go now?
Yeah.
Thank you.
Give it a thumbs up.
Please give it a thumbs up. Go on, you do it. You do it. Do the outro Nishi style.
Okay, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button and click the notification bell down below. Thanks for watching.
Yes, you smashed it.